This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Fedex Corp reports earnings after Thursday's closing bell. Taking a look back, a very strong rally topped out around the 275 level in January 2018. The stock then entered a very steep bear market, dropping to all the way, let's go all the way back here, dropping to what, about a 6-year, excuse me, an 8-year low during the pandemic decline in March of 2020. The subsequent uptick accelerated in the second and third quarter into some straight up action that brought the stock back to the 2018 peak in October. Now we have a very contested breakout after that. We have one thrust, two thrusts, then a failure, then a third thrust going up to about the 320 level. Well, that's about the time that Delta started to make inroads in the United States. You can see the slow pullback and then this failed breakout in August. The stock then broke the 50-week moving average, coming all the way down to the 200-week moving average in October, which looks like it may be a sustainable low. However, you can see as this bounce came back up, it failed to pierce the 50-week moving average. If you look on the daily chart, you could also see that the stock is trading below both the 200-day moving average and struggling to hold the 50-day moving average. Now, this is going to keep pressure on the stock into 2022. We do have some good things happening here, but I'm looking for a trading range, sort of a 50-200 pinball effect between these two extremes into the first quarter, especially with uncertainty about Omicron and the infection wave coming up into the United States. However, if you look all the way back on a monthly chart, you can see that we have a very deep slide, perhaps the lowest, most extreme oversold reading since 1998. We've just crossed into a buy signal. Now, this is not going to give you immediate upside, but this tells us that perhaps we are at a tradable bottom. Tradable bottom, again, is not the same thing as a buying signal. We're going to have to wait until we get a little bit more detailed pattern here because there's still a lot of pressure on this stock and a lot of bad things that can happen between now and when we finally get that uptrend working again.